Alright, I'm going to give directions on how I expect you to sand now. First, you need your sanding block. Then you will take your dark brown 80 grit sandpaper. Hold it like that. When sanding, you need to get 3 specific spots. Number 1, if you have blowout from the drill press, you will sand that out like this with the 80. You can see just a little sanding makes it disappear. Second, you will sand your tip round. You will sand it like that to keep it rounded, and after a little bit it'll start to round over. Third, you need to get all of your corners rounded over. You do that by sanding and turning at the same time. As you can see, that rounds it over. Next step, you will take your light brown 180 grit sandpaper and you will repeat all of your processes. So you will sand your blowout, you will sand your rounded tip, and you will sand your corners all around. You can see that it's smoother now. Third step, you will use your black 320 grit sandpaper, and again you will repeat all the processes. There, there, and here. The difference with this step is that you're going to sand all of your flat parts. Which includes the back. This will make your project super smooth.